Hi dear Aries, a very good morning to you guys. This is a general love reading from 20th of June till 30th of June, and this is Anjali Tarot. And keep in mind, these are general love readings. These might or might not resonate with you, okay? So I'll tap into a partner's energy, your current energy, what they feel for you, what they want from you, and what to expect from this person till 30th of June, okay? So let's start. Aries, let's start. And keep in mind that roles can be reversed anytime. Okay, if you are feeling like this is not happening with you, that could be happening with your partner. And if you feel like that's nothing like your partner, that could be you. Okay, let's start. Let's start, Aries. Your partner's current energy right now is Six of Swords. So I feel like right now, Aries, your partner is trying to move away from you, okay? To move away from this situation, might be moving away from the toxicity, from the negativity. I feel like this person wants a peaceful resolution, a peaceful solution of the conflict that's going on between you guys. Okay, let's clarify further. The Six of Swords. Let's clarify further. Let's clarify. The Wheel of Fortune, the Five of Swords, and the Three of Swords. Yes, I feel like there is a conflict going on between you guys, Aries, and this person is, trying to turn the tables into a peaceful situation. There was ego battle going on between you guys, okay? So I feel like this person is right now trusting the universe that this ego battle will solve, this conflict will be over, and everything is going to be fine. They are just waiting for the right time. Okay, right now they are turning their back towards this connection because they want this connection to come out as a beautiful relationship, not as a not as some kind of burden or some kind of shitty thing. So that's why right now I feel like this person is moving forward towards a beautiful resolution, peaceful resolution. Still they're carrying lots of baggages of the past with them. They're not fully over the past, but yes, they're trying their best to overcome this situation, to make this beautiful, to make this a less conflicted. Let's see what's your current energy, Aries. Knight of Pentacles. So I feel like Aries, you are taking baby steps. Okay, you are taking baby steps towards this connection. Although you are very loyal, although you are very stable, right now you are not desperate, or right now you are not trying to jump into any kind of connection or jump into a situation. So right now you're just taking baby steps, and right now you are feeling like I should slow down. I should just slow down. I should back up, and I should strategize everything. Think about doing anything. Think before doing anything. This is your situation right now. This is your current energy right now, Aries. Let's clarify further. You are acting defensive. You are okay. So I feel like Seven of Wands is here, Eight of Wands is here, Four of Pentacles. I feel like you're acting defensive. Okay, you are trying to protect your energy. You are trying to protect your personality. You are trying to you are trying to protect yourself from all the negativities that is coming your way. And you feel like an open and honest conversation is required for this connection to work out in the future. Might be to work out in the future, or it might also be possible that you are feeling like this communication is going to change everything between you guys. This communication will change the equation of this connection, and I feel like you're holding back. You're trying to control your emotions. You're trying to control the situation. You're trying to control the environment of this connection, and that's making you feel like let's slow down. Let's slow down for a bit and take baby steps towards everything. That's how it works. That's how it's going to be work. Otherwise, Aries people are a very impatient person, and they don't have patience to deal with such type of situation. But you are going out of your way right now, just because you don't want any kind of mess or conflict in your life. Okay, let's see what this person feels for you, Aries. Empress. I feel like this person feels like you're a very creative person. You're a very beautiful person. Might be a stable person. If you are a female, Aries, if you're a female watching this video, I feel like your partner feels like you are a very beautiful woman, and you have the potential to become their wife, and you have the potential to become the mother of their kids. This is the situation. They see you. They feel like you are somewhat some kind of empress, some kind of mini celebrity, some kind of beautiful soul, beautiful energy, beautiful inside out. These are their feelings for you. They feel like you could be their spouse. Okay, this is the situation. Let's clarify. Queen of Cups, the Chariot, and the Page of Wands. So this person, although this person feels lots of love and lots of emotions for you, right now they are just trying to walk away from this situation, move on from this connection, and they're still very hopeful. Still very hopeful. They want to have a communication with you. They want to start this connection again. Okay, this person wants to leave the past behind and leave every conflict behind, and come out of a situation where everything is going to be fine between you guys. So I feel like this person carries lots of emotions for you. This is the Queen of Cups energy and the Chariot. But right now this person wants to move on from this connection or move on from this negativity, because they want to start this connection all over again with passion. This is the situation here. They want to start this connection. Okay, that's why they feel like yes, you are some kind of mini celebrity, you are a spouse, you are a marriage material, you are a spouse material. And that's why right now they want to move away to come back. This is the situation here. Okay, Aries, let's see what this person wants from you. Aries, let's see what this person wants from you. Okay, Six of Pentacles. This person wants to have equal give and take in this connection. Okay, they want you to be, equally participate in this connection. Okay, this is the situation here. So they feel like if they want to give you something, they want to receive something from you. This is the situation here. They don't want to put in the effort, put in the energy just by themselves. They want you also to participate in the situation and put in equal effort and equal energy in this connection. This is the situation. So as you see in the picture, this person is giving some pennies to the other person, and the other person is looking at him. So I feel like this person wants to balance the scales with you. Okay, can you see the scales here in this person's hand? Yes, this person wants to balance the scales with you. Number 6 is the energy of beauty, luxury, relationship, love. This is all they want from you. Let's clarify further. Three of Swords, Six of Swords, and the King of Wands. I feel like this person is deeply sad, deeply heartbroken because of this conflict that's going on between you guys right now. And this person wants this connection to, have a peaceful resolution, to move towards a peaceful future. And still, they carry lots of emotions, lots of passion for this connection. This is the situation here. Okay, and that's why this person wants you to be equally involved in this connection. If they are saying something to you, if they are trying to do something for you, just be with them, just be in the teamwork with them, team player. Okay, with them. This is the situation. Let's see what's coming towards you till 30th of June. The cards are like falling here and there. Let's see. Let me shuffle once again for you guys. Let's see what's coming towards you till 30th of June. Aries, let's see. Nine of Wands. I feel like there's passion in this connection. Okay, I feel like this person is coming towards you with a very very hurtful energy. Their balls are high, they are emotionally very very drained, they are emotionally stressed. Okay, and they are not going to reveal everything about them. They are not going to reveal it to you that they are very hurt and they want this connection to work out again. But yes, this person is having some kind of hope with this connection. Okay, and although this person is very very hurt, although they are emotionally off, or they are acting emotionally detached right now, but this person is hoping that everything is going to be fine in the future. And that's why this person is holding a wand. Okay, can you see that this person is holding a wand? Although this person is very very hurt right now, they are somewhat you bruised as well, but this is kind of bruised ego. Okay, and but still they are very very hopeful that this connection is going to be fine in the future. Let's clarify further. Yes, so I feel like this person don't want to rush into this connection. Okay, so it is like they are just they are just trying to stop themselves from rushing into this connection, from coming running to you. They don't want you to they don't want to scare you. This is the situation. That's why right now they are taking very very slow steps towards you, and they are very very clear about their intentions. They are very clear about their intentions. Might be they are concealing their emotions right now, concealing their hiding their emotions right now for you. They're not telling you exactly what they want, but this is what they want. They want to have a marriage with you. You could be dealing with the Taurus here. Okay, you could be dealing with an air sign here, Gemini, Aquarius, or Libra. So this is the situation here. This is what they feel that they want. So I feel like all of this person is coming back towards you with bruised energy, with bruised ego, and they are not going to reveal everything to you, but deep down their only wish is to marry you. This is the situation here. Okay, So yes, this is a beautiful energy that's coming back towards you, but you have to understand that you have to talk to them intuitively. You just have to tap into their intuition, their emotions. That's how it's going to work out. Okay, if you want this connection to work out, you just have to feel what the other person is feeling, and then I hope there will be a chance that this connection will be beautiful all over again. Okay, so Aries, let's wrap your reading. I think that's all about your reading that I have for you. I hope this reading will give you some kind of insight to move forward in your life. Thank you so much for listening. This is Anjali Tarot. Namaste. God bless you.